Hope Channel Uganda program amagezi muliro buli lunaku olwa Sunday saawa 12 paka saawa emu tubeerawo ne program eno y'amagezi muliro. Program eno ekuyigiriza okwekolera okuteekesa ebintu bino mu nkola betukuyigiriza. Tetwogera nnyo, tetuwandiika nnyo, naye bwe twogera wano gwe ng'oyiga ng'onootinga ng'okola. The next day we want to come back when you at least at some other level. Of course, Hope Channel Uganda, we are proudly powered by Bugema Adventist Secondary School bus yeteekamu ensimbi program eno. Bugema Adventist Secondary School yevugirira program eno amagezi muliro ku Hope Channel Uganda. Start time is 241 821 Go TV plus the frequency on free to air decoders is 21. Download that Hope Channel app. It will help you to watch Hope Channel Uganda 24/7 from wherever you can be, even beyond borders. Yes, naddala ng'oli mu kutambula ejja kuyambako ku simu yo kubanga osobola okukola program zonna right from morning to morning. Hope Channel Uganda, sharing hope for eternity. Ku camera abe omwanguzi nze Elder David Kiwumulo, oyo omugole tetunafunayo mulala. Olunaku lwaleero tukyali Bugema mu Department of Technology and Design gye tukyalimu, ate nga mwe mulimu n'okuzimba, mwe mulimu carpentry, mwalaba emmeeza yaffe stool, kati rero tugenda kuzimba. Gwe muyiko guno tulowooza nti omuyiko guno nkutte gwakwejalabye tugenda kuzimba essaawa yonna. Kale no njagala nkwanjulire mikwano gyange. I have friends who are responsible here. They are also students. Yes. Mwizo gamba abaana tebamanyi mbu. We have students to take us through this other process. I will have them get introduced one by one. Charlie, how are you?
I'm okay, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Mukisa Joel.
Mukisa Joel.
Yeah, I'm a Muganda. You may think that I don't have the clan name, but I have it. I'm Mukisa Joel, and I belong to Ngo clan.
Ngo Ediamandu?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Okay, they have some types like leopard, cheetah, but I belong to the leopard.
All right.
Yeah,
wow.
Leopard.
So which class are you?
I'm in senior 4R.
Senior 4R.
Yeah.
So you're also in Form 4?
Yeah, senior 4, okay. Form 4R.
All right. Thank you so much. Amagezi muliro. I have another guy here. Charlie, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You look like a PK.
Of course I am. My dad is a pastor.
Okay.
At Nansana SDA Church.
What's his name?
Pastor Hakiza James.
Yes. Can you first send greetings to Pastor Hakiza before we continue?
My beloved dad, Pastor Hakiza James, greetings to you. I love you so much, and I always appreciate your services and support.
Yeah. Musajja oyo atukola bulungi eri ku Nansana district naddala aba Nansana town church. So what's your name?
My name is Habyala Caleb, and I'm in Form 4.
Okay.
Q.
Form 4Q. So we have Q, P, and R.
Yes.
Okay. So what are we going to do? What are we going to construct today?
Today we are going to construct a model house,
right?
A model structure, okay. And we shall use different tools and materials.
Okay. Can you take us through very fast through the tools we're going to use? We are going
to use different tools, okay. And some of which are these ones here on the table. Okay. This is a spade.
Yeah, that one we know it.
The Baganda call it HTO. It is going to be used for carrying mortar and also mixing sand with the cement. Okay. And the other thing we have, this is a plumb bob.
Plumb bob.
Plumb bob, as you can see.
Biriji.
Biriji. That is it. And it's going to help us plumb the wall to ensure that it is straight. Yeah, the vertical height is that which we want. Okay. Yes.
So without any crookedness.
Without any crookedness or a wall overlapping the other.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Again, what do you have? Let me go to my other friend here. So what else do we have?
You know, for us builders, we are funny. We can't speak only one language. Yeah? Okay. So I will be translating them in English and our local language.
No problem.
Remember I told you I'm a Muganda. So,
Mukisa.
Yeah, Mukisa.
Owengo.
Yeah. So here we are having a trowel. And this, in Luganda, they call it omwiko. So this trowel will be used for lifting sand,
Okay.
so that we can place it on our bricks.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And again, we have here our angle line. So
The
this,
angle line.
yeah, this is the angle line. Will be used in demarcating. Remember, for us, when we are using models, okay, when you are constructing models, we use this angle line to draw where we are going to pass during the construction.
Yes.
Yeah, so we use this angle line.
Okay.
So then we have our square, builder's square.
Okay.
This one is used to measure the angle of 90, so that the wall or the room, yeah, can have equal corners. The corners when they are perfect.
Okay.
So that's, and we have,
Angle line is basically for the corners.
yeah. No, angle line is used for
I mean the builder's square. Sorry.
builder's square for angles, corners, to get those corners of the room.
Okay.
Then the hole, for it is the same as the spade. But for this, it just mixes
Okay.
sand and our cement.
So this is the ordinary hole which is used for our gardens.
Yeah, it's the same we use here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm seeing something like a tube. What is that?
This is called a water level.
Okay.
So it's somehow different from this one.
Okay.
Because also there are levels,
Okay.
but this one is used on constructing larger and longer walls. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you put in water, someone can you put in water, then water starts flowing to see whether it's on what? Same level.
levels.
Yeah. Different from this one is called the split level, whereby you can place it on a block or brick.
Okay.
Then you place it there. You see whether there is some space here. It's in the middle. It has to be in the middle.
Okay.
When you are measuring vertical, you follow this.
Okay.
Then, no, here horizontal.
Horizontal.
Then vertical, you follow this.
So we have two water level marks.
Yeah. Then, okay.
Okay.
This one is for somehow like the same as the other one, but there are some others where this is for at an angle of 45, where you can use it to put and see whether also it's in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much. Program Amagezi Muliro. I'm seeing is this a rope?
Yeah, you can call it a rope, but we call it a builder's line.
Builder's line.
Builder's line.
What does it help?
It helps to ensure that the wall, as you're laying bricks, all the one course it is in a straight line. So that one brick is not against the other. So
Not overlapping the other.
overlapping the other. So you see, I press here. I first plumb both ends of the wall using this plumb bob as I showed you earlier. So after plumbing, I use this. I stretch it from one end to another after plumbing. Then as I lay these other bricks, I ensure that they are in the line with this. So this helps to ensure that the walls are in a straight line. All the course is in a straight line.
Program Amagezi Muliro. Hope Channel Uganda. Bugema Advent Secondary School. Abaana baleete bayige era bategeere ekyokukola. Bayige bategeere ekyokukola era bakitekese mu nkola. Program eno ekuteekerezaako ekuleetebwako Bugema Advent Secondary School buli lunaku lwa Sunday era nga naffe tugamba nti osobola okutweyungako lunaku lwa Sunday ssaawa 12 paka ssaawa emu ez'akawungeezi wano ku Amagezi Muliro. Program Hope Channel Uganda. What I'm seeing this is it a tape measure?
This is a tape measure. As we all know, a tape measure helps in measuring these distances of required structure. If I happen to say that I'm going to construct a structure of maybe 1,000 millimeters, I use this.
Okay.
Help me find the required length, then I demarcate where to end and where to start from.
So 1,000 millimeters is equal to how many meters?
1 meter.
Oh.
Yeah.
Manya bamba manyi meter, basinga meter.
Meter emu is equivalent wa?
Yenkanankana ne millimeter 1000.
Ne millimeter 1000. Ekyo.
Wala ewe nkuyambye.
Oluganda siri so fluent naye era onalondumanyi olundi semere ndondumanyi.
So we shall be using the tape measures as well.
Tape measures are so required and they are vital. They play a vital role in this.
So how long is this tape measure?
This is 10
10.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is 10
10
meters.
meters.
Then this other one, it is 3 meters.
So this one is
3 meters.
okay.
Yeah,
All right.
these are 300 centimeters.
Mm.
So in meters, there are 3 meters.
Okay.
Meaning that in this one, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters.
Yes.
Not millimeters,
Okay.
but centimeters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amagezi muliro tukyali wano ku Hope Channel Uganda, Bugema Advent Secondary School, proudly powered by BAS, Bugema Advent Secondary School, okuva eri mu North Buganda Field gye tusinzidde. So we have some materials here. Can you explain to us what they are one by one?
This is a binder, and it is limestone, basically. Limestone, but in most cases, people outside, they use cement as a binder. But because we are going to construct a model structure, meaning it is temporary, after some time we shall dismantle it, so that's why we have used a binder that is limestone.
Okay.
Then, this is not a material, it is a tool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a tool. The difference is that a material is used, a material remains on the structure, but then a tool is just
You go back
used
with
to
it.
facilitate. Yeah, you use it, then you go back with it. That's way. So a tape measure, wheelbarrow, they just help you, but they don't remain on the structure. That's why they are called tools. So this is a tool. It is a wheelbarrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what else do we have? I'm seeing jerry cans. What are they carrying?
These jerry cans carry water. In them, they have water that can be used to ensure that the sand is mixed to form mortar. Mortar is formed when sand and limestone are mixed, and then with water. Yeah.
Mukisa, akaveera kano, I'm seeing a kind of polythene.
Yeah, this is a polythene, but as the builders we call it DPC or damp proof course.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, there's also the DPM, damp proof membrane.
All right.
So this one can be used to put, okay, it's placed here after the foundation. That black polythene you see, this is the one.
I usually see it extending beyond the wall.
Yeah, this one prevents the rise of water from the ground and affecting the wall that you have built.
Okay.
This one helps it.
Right.
Yeah.
Then afterwards, we have what is this? Is it sand?
This is sand. So you have different types of sand, like
I hear people talk of Ruera, I don't know Lake, I don't know what. So what is this now?
yeah, this is comes from rivers, or you can say that comes from swamps.
Okay.
To differentiate them, when you look at this one of the river, yeah?
Yes.
It has no some stones, okay, but the one for the lake has some stones, the particles which are somehow
bigger
hard, but
particles.
also them they are somehow tiny.
Okay.
But this one has no those particles.
Okay.
So that's why you can differentiate them from, but it can be got from, and this is the most commonly used
Okay.
because it's got from swamps, even rivers.
So I can see it looks more like dust kind of
Yeah.
because of those tiny particles.
For it does not have, that's why it's somehow so dusty.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's used to bind this with the lime. Yeah. And during this mixing, we have different ratios we follow. Like for example, this sand can be, okay, we use the ratio 1:3.
Okay.
Then
That is when mixing.
yeah, when mixing.
So what is 1? What is 3?
The one is the binder. So the binder, the lime.
The binder can also be cement.
Yeah. So sand is the one that you are going to mix with the binder so that we can.
So sand is 3, and then binder 1.
Yeah.
So 1 what? 3 what?
One, okay, and 50 kilograms of the binder.
Okay.
That can be cement or lime. You put 3 wheelbarrows of sand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 1 bag worth 50 kilograms, and then 1 wheelbarrow of.
Yeah. 3 wheelbarrows and 50 kilograms.
Wow. Thank you so much. I'm seeing things like blocks, bricks. What are we having here?
For this case, we shall call them bricks,
Okay.
but these are pavers actually.
Okay.
Yeah, but we use them because we need to have them. They are stronger than these other bricks made of sand.
Yes.
I mean made of soil.
Yes.
And because they are stronger, they can be used for many times. Use them right now, then we dismantle the structure, we use it another day because this is a school. We don't construct permanent structures.
Wow.
Yeah, but then for those outside, we have dimensions of the brick itself.
Okay.
And for this case, if you look at this is a brick. It is a brick. This is called a stretcher face. The one that is longer.
Stretcher face.
Stretcher face. Then this is a header.
Okay.
This is a header. Then when comes this, we call this top or frog. Yeah.
Frogo HKD.
Frog, yeah. F-R-O-G.
Okay.
Then different dimensions are used. For this case, for a brick, standard brick, the length of the stretcher, it is 2000. It is 2015. I mean 215. Sorry, it is 215
Millimeters.
millimeters. We use millimeters actually. I won't tell you any other units.
Okay.
Then for this, it is 65.
Okay.
And then here it will use 107.5.
Okay.
That is for standard brick. 107.5, 65, then 215. Those are all in millimeters.
Wow.
That is the dimension of a standard brick.
Okay.
But also when you are constructing, you find that you need maybe you need to cut a brick. But when you're cutting bricks, you cut them into different portions. We call them butts, or you call it a quarter butt. Quarter butt, you get the brick, standard brick, then you cut it. You cut the quarter of it.
Okay.
So this quarter that remained is what we call a quarter butt.
Okay.
Then this other side is called 3/4 butt. You may find yourself that you want a half a butt. Half a butt you cut it into two equal parts. So you cut in the middle, and that we call it a half butt.
Wow. Hope Channel Uganda program Amagezi Muliro. Brian is going to get us that paper and we'll look at it straight and then we can proceed. 6 to 7 p.m. every Sunday. Tubeerawo lunaku olwa Sunday mu program Amagezi Muliro. Okay, Hope Channel Uganda tukyali wano Bugema Advent Secondary School building construction olunaku olwaliro Amagezi Muliro lunaku olwa Sunday. So we have these papers. Are they plans papers?
Okay, this is a paper, but to us we call it the ground plan. This is how our room, okay, the setup of our model or building is going to look like. So here we make it so that it can fit on this paper. It can also be a big paper,
Okay.
but it depends on the scale you have used.
Yes.
So here we are having a one-roomed house. But for us, we are going to construct a one-roomed model.
Okay.
It's a model for us what we are going to construct. So if you look at this, the dimensions are 1,500. These are millimeters.
Okay.
But if you take them to meters, it's 1.5 meters.
Okay.
Then the width is it's 1,000 millimeters.
Yes.
This is 1 meter.
Okay.
And if you look at this critically, this is how the room is going to be. These are the dimensions of the room, but we have not added on where the bricks are going to take.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the inner these are the inner measurements of the room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So the bricks will be placed outside because we have not added the dimensions of the bricks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Channel Uganda. So that is what we are going to have. 1.5 meter emu n'ekitundu ku meter emu. Shall we be having windows and doors?
Of course, you can't have a building without a window. How will you be able to promote air circulation? and you can't have a building without a door. How maybe you enter as a thief.
Okay.
But for this case, the plan is here, as my brother has told you. This is the wall, and then this is the door, as you can see. How does it open? You open through this according to how it is moving. Yeah, this curve shows how it is moving. So it will be coming from this end. It is fixed on this point, and it opens like this outwards. Then this is the plan for the window.
Okay.
This is how the plan is represented.
Okay.
But when you come to the length here, it is 1.5. That is the dimension of it, or the length of the door. Then the height is 2010.
Okay.
2,100, I mean. Those are millimeters, as I told you.
2.1 meters.
Yeah, 2.1 meters. Then this is the door. Then where the beam ends is where this also window ends also. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Wow. Program Amagezi Muliro. That is
for the plan we have here, as well stated, the shaded part is the shaded part is representing the wall. Then this is the space inside.
Do we have any difference between a ground plan and an architecture plan? Are they the same?
An architecture plan includes many, because the ground plan there are many. You can have a building, then you have it as an elevated elevation. The elevation is part of the plan. How do you see it when you decide? You make a cross section vertically. You make a cross section in different ways. So those
Different views.
Different views. And those create different elevations, and they come up with that architecture plan.
Okay.
So an architecture plan is broad. Begin with the ground floor or the ground plan. Then you go to the elevations and rear, and then how you view it. Then you make also a cross section.
Lwaki tutandika kola sente kati okusoma okwagazaaki
bagamba
Amagezi Muliro
vane ku ekyo naye bagamba obutasoma bulumo akola kyeki
buluma akuze
alinga lukyaswala nakudayo mu ssomero oswala bagamba omusajja omukulu
ate n'abazimi twagala basomba.
ate ne kati ensi weetuuse baagala engineer nga tajja kuba pulaani kokka naye nga n'ekizimba ajja kisitula. Kati nga kiba kitegeeza olina okuba well equipped with what you're doing, and you also have knowledge about it.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Oyo no ye Caleb
mwana wa Musumba.
Caleb mutabani wa Musumba Hakiza James. Musumba Hakiza James nkutumiddeko kaweeva ako kako tukyagenda ddala maaso ne tugenda kuwumulamuko katono kubanga tulina okufunayo ku information obulango ate era tugende maaso ne program Amagezi Muliro. Nze Elder David KIWUMULO, Hope Channel Uganda. Don't go away. Hope Channel Uganda program Amagezi Muliro tukyagenda ddala maaso. Tuli wano ku Bugema Adventist Secondary School. Era yeteekamu ensimbi program eno wano ku Hope Channel Uganda buli lunaku lwa Sunday olw'eggulo 6 to 7 p.m. in the evening. That's when we come on air. I'm Elder David KIWUMULO. So ngate on camera I have Ebo Omuwanguzi. Gututambule nayo lunaku lwaleero tuli mu kuzimba abaana ne batuyigiza engeri y'okuzimba. Era we tugendedde mu kuwumulamu nga tuli mu kumikisinga. Tuli mu kusinga kati okumikisinga kwaffe kuwedde ne tuyiwamuko n'amazzi ne tutabula. Tutabudde kinaki?
Tutabudde lime. Tukozesa lime as a binder. Kubanga this is temporary. Naye oba ogenda zimba permanent structure osikosa cement. Ne tukozesa n'omusenyu, that is sand. Naye tukozesa patching wa 1 to 3. Tulugamba nti waba okozesa 50 kg of cement oba binder, which is lime for this case, okozesa kati wali 3 or multiplying by the amount of binder you have used, ojja kufuna 150. Tulugamba those are 3 wheelbarrows. Yes.
Kati otegerera wa nti ddala ebintu byange bimuse bulungi, now they are uniformly mixed or something like that?
Otegerera nawe ogutabula oguwulira nti guno omusenyu gwentabudde gugenda ku kizimbe gusobola okukwata etafaali. Bw'onaaguteekako nga tegutabuddwa nnyo mazzi nga gunywere nete nga togumatidde ogala nti guba guseseebuka. Kati bw'olaba guno gwavudde ebbali ogwasigaddewo omumali ogutakuta ogulabirawo teguna kyegenda kukola kyamaanyi as you can test it naye bw'ofuna guno oguvudde ddala mu mazzi ogulaba tigo guli soft gugonda kitegeeza gusobola kunyweza kati kino kye tuyita mota uniformly mixed sand and water and the binder tumuyita mota wa MORTOR
Uniformly mixed motor.
Uniformly mixed motor.
So from here, where are we heading to?
Tudda kuba kati demarcatinga as according to plan yaffe kyetuwadde wali we demarcate and then construct a structure
On ground.
on ground tudda ku ground kwennyini
Tugende maaso n'okupima. Ono ye Caleb gutambule naye ne omwana Mukisa wa Hope Channel Uganda amagezi muliro tuli wano Bugema Adventist Secondary School wano tugenda nno okupima wano ondaba nyimiridde era tugenda oteeke ekizimbe kyaffe era atukyali mu program amagezi muliro gwetovaawo byonna obyote buliro ofuna kalamu owandiike ofuna olupapula owandiike oyige okuzimba.
kati tuba tumaze wano katutandikira eri starting point yaffe tumanya plan yaffe yatuwadde 1500 those are millimeters tugamba ziba zili meters then in meters ejja kuba 1.5 mita emu enamba n'ekitundu kyayo kantumema tiwatubala tiwano mita enamba bw'ogiraba ekoma wano eno mita emu okuva wali ku starting point kati ekitundu kya mita kijja kubeera kino kano tumanya nti eno end point yaffe we mark it nga ndoli amakinze eri point eri gyeri watandikidde kati tumanya nti eyo length yayo kati ntudda ku width y'ekizimbe ne tuba tudda wano bwe tuba tugenda wano kyetusooka okukozesa ye bayita tri square oba builder square ofuna right angle ensonda ebeere accurate nga omulaba bwakikozaawo bw'ogiplacingawo yetuwa line gye tugenda okukozesa kati wano plan yaffe tugenda kukozesa 100 kitundu era tugenda kukozesa mita emu mita yaffe yiino ekomye wano so this is the point to mark kati netukozesa eri builders angle netuteekawo line otagyerabira builder square yeno gye bakozesa okufuna
eri angle line
yeno
kigambo kyo nkiwulira nnyo angle line
yeno gye tuzzaako wano kati wano twategedde kati tuvuga wano line kola tukwata kasonse keno wet kati yino nawe wekomye kane tuvuga line okuva eri kati online gye tugenda okukozesa nga tulayinga bricks oba foundation
eringa line y'omusingi engeri gye tuli mu kudemonstratinga nga tukozesa line tetusima
naye abalala basima kubanga babeera bazimba structure omusingi gwa guna kubira ddala mu ttaka
because it's supposed to be a permanent structure
naye wano tuzimba okulumala wano nga n'abaana abalala bajja kugyera bazimbe kuba kitaga okugijjawo kati olumala netukwata era eri tri square gye twafunye netugiteeka wano netufuna angle ey'ekisenge kyaffe
amagezi muliro program tukyagendera ddala mu maaso
Same line.
you have to
You have to make sure that this is on the same line so that you get the perfect corner. Yeah. So.
Okay, so we are done measuring.
Kati omala vayo nekintu nga kino kati eno space eno gye tufunye y'ey'omunda. Kati amataffaali oba mabuloko galayinga outside, you lay them outside this plan.
Ozimbira ku line nga zidda bweru
toziza munda. Kubanga plan yaffe batuwadde dimensions ez'omunda oba space ey'omunda si n'ekisenge tebakintadde tebakincludinze.
So the 1 and 1.5 is for the inside space.
Inside space. But when you're laying bricks, you lay them outside, not inside.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Kati awo tudda kuteeka ku bloka zenyini.
Tuzaako we start with the foundation. Okay. Then go to place the PC, the DPC. Then you come to the wall itself. Wow.
Yes, thank you so much. Prop Channel Uganda program amagezi muliro tukyagenda ddala mu maaso. Tufune buloka tuteeko tutandika okuzimba. Tuli wano ku Bugema Adventist Secondary School bus. We are probably powered by Bugema Adventist Secondary School yeteekamu ensimbi era twebaza omukulu addukanya n'abakulu baddukanya essomero eryo head teacher Stephen Bukenya mukama yebazibwa olw'emirimu gy'otusaako engalo n'abantu bonna abali Bugema Mr. Biafaki abanywe bali ddala olw'obuweereza bw'otusaako engalo na buli omu ali ku Bugema Adventist Secondary School tumwebaza. Tulina wano omulenzi Caleb ate n'omulenzi Mukisa be batukulembeddemu olunaku luno olwaleero. Tutandikidde wasebo.
Kati wano tumala oteekako omusenyi, then you apply bonding. Bonding, there are of two types. There's what we call header bond and then the stretcher bond. Mutandika na balaze stretcher yechi ne header yechi. Kati eno ye header, eno stretcher. Kati ugamba nti we are using a header bond, kibategeeza eno yetunulida omulabi oba omulabi yena ali ku TV sawo alabe eno kambanja teka ketafaali yange weriti. Kati mba nkozesa header bond ate stretcher bond mbanja kozesa eno era ku bisenge bakozesa bino ne foundation bakozesa eyo. Okay. Kati ku kisenge mbanja kuteeka ketafaali nga liri weriti. Nga this is the part that is viewed by any person.
This is the header.
This is the header.
In that case,
this is the header bond and a stretcher bond. Omuntu akasaba nga longer side gyalaba. Okay. Yes. Kati ku foundation tukozesa header bond. Reason being foundation ino kubanga neneko okusinzira ino kubanga neneko ku kisenge. Reason being bomugenda nnyo musoma mulagandi babalaga nti pressure abeera mungi nga base wayo ntono. Ne pressure abeera mutono nga base nene. Kasi bategeeza base bwetuna abeera nga nene nnyo nga base nene okusinga ku kisenge, pressure anaba applying dwa ku ground ejja kuba mutono. Ngekizimbe kizibu okugwa oba okusinkinga mutaka to sink. So because of that, that's why the bond is always bigger than, the foundation is always larger than the wall.
Okay.
Cut you lay your bricks like this, cut. You leave a space, small space of about a finger size, thickness your galo. No you take wood.
Bonding.
We take a musenyu. It's called the papend. Omusenyu gwa take muno. Gwa papend. Yes. Cut. Bomaro you go it continuously up to the other end. Do the
ogatao bas
the end of it all.
Tambula tulabe. Magezi muliro Hope Channel Uganda. Omukulu ya Caleb yatukulembeddemu. Alina munne wano. Munne ye Mukisa. Bonna bayizi form 4. Wano ku Bugema Adventist Secondary School. Tuli mu kuyiga ngeri y'okuzimba room emu. Room emu ya mita emu n'ekitundu ku mita emu gye twapimye era nga tuli ku foundation oba musingi butuguvaako ate tujja genda ku kisenge and so on and so forth n'okuteekamu amadirisa n'okuteekamu omulyango byonna tujja kubiteekamu. Kumira ku Hope Channel Uganda tovaawo. Kati awo kaki?
Nona nayogedde mu ntandikwa this is a builder's line. Okuyamba ofuna ekisenge kiri straight. Kati bomala boba tofuddeyo osobola osoosa amataffaali oba n'osoosa line eno. And for this case tusooseza kulenga ku matafali tulabika jagenda kugatya kati soba tufunye kanokwata neliteredde lino neliri kati kozimbirako line y'amatafali gano amalala kati omalaga fixinga at a certain point nekwatirako naye eno wuzi eno oba builders line je mwayise rope oba kaguwa. It is put at the top of the brick here, not this side down. Kamalo kateka eno waggulu wakaguwa wano, then you fix it somewhere. So that katambula. Ku side kuberako emisumali. In this case they use nails. Baka fixing oba nibakozesa obuti. Emiti makasimba eri mutakali eri no mutakali nibasimbako line yawe.
Okubusanga. Okwera some small poles the other side.
Kirungi gonyoka nayo bitegedde kati wano engeri gye kiri nti tukozesa at the top part of the brick. Twategeza ne gano tulina kwensualinga nti gali wansi. Katuba tunaga kuba gatuulire ddala wansi gatoere ku line eno. Naye gendo likuba ngoma se olisindikako bwoti nga lira literede bwoti. Nero ko likuba ne literera munda. Kaloma lutereza bwoti. Kidako kwa kuligunda ne literera. Nerika. Lwaki tulisa tufune ekisenge kiri eventually straight and flat.
Muje tuliko je tuzimba program amagezi muliro tuli wano Bugema University Bugema Adventist not Bugema University Bugema Adventist Secondary School
tumaze okulenga kwa tukoze ku kisenge kimu kati sawe no foundation kyetuzaako nagambye tukosa tuzamu papend nagambye gwe guno musenyi goteeka muno mu butuli yesaba kuita papend that vertical gwenda mu vertically from one brick to another ubaita papend kati gubera sometimes gubera softer than this kubanga gwa foundation gubera guno kubanga gukalubamu kubanga bugwa gugondanye tafali ija guli nyako ligukebusi kati watu engejo bate tugenda ku fixinga muno munda makati okwata omusenyo gugondamu ngosoro kuziamu munda bulungi
bano benda banga bongeramu amazi yangenda mu kumaza
mu amazi kubanga sawo no ate omusenyo kasagubera nga tokosa kutuka kisana ne gukola ki ne gukala kalona gutekamo amazi regularly after an interval nozamu so kati kyetuzaako kuteeka mpapendi tukusitweko senda oba tuwetoloze wonna
ndaba omukulu apima level
kati yo level ogipima kufuna twanga bitwagambye nti omugaso gwayo okuyamba okufuna ekisenge kiri straight kati twataddeko eno line noyinza okwesanga olusi wawa kitaddeko leta faali yade lutinzeemu katono
ndaba aina watermark what is that
This is okay. It's like how you have said, it's a watermark. If it is in the middle like this, it shows that the bricks, but here we are using blocks. The blocks are well leveled. So you see it's in the middle, showing that it's well leveled. Okay. Then we transfer and we see. You see even here it's well leveled. So we are accurate. Okay. Yeah.
Tugende maaso tuteekemu omusenyu gwaffe Hope Uganda amagezi muliro program tuyiga ngeri y'okuzimbamu one room yaffe wagirabye eri 1.5 by 1 meters era nga abaana bana abayizi aba form 4 batukulembeddemu wano ku Bugema Adventist Secondary School lunaku olwaleero program amagezi muliro kuyambako okuyongerako okuva ku ddala erimu okugenda ku ddala eddala ebintu bino bw'obiyiga n'obiteekesa mu nkola bikuyambako nnyo nyini ddala okuva kubanga osobola n'okunoga ensimbi okitegeera tovaawo tukubanga programu eno ekyagenda ddala mu maaso tulabe engeri gisobola okuyiga okuzimba omuzimbi ali eyo osobola okuyiga ayagala okuzimba osobola okuyiga ate naawe atayagala osobola okuyiga n'oyigiriza omuntu omulala tebeerabira programu eno eri sponsored by Bugema Adventist Secondary School bonno babangula abaana nga bwala bano baana ba form 4 naye be basobola okutuyigiriza enteekateeka eno engeri gisobola okuzimbamu kati akaveera kano ke tutaddeko wakakoonyeko nga tutandika kati tuddire what is the importance of it and then afterwards where are we?
Here we have now finished the foundation. As I told you, when you finish foundation, what comes next is this polythene. It's called the DPC. DPC has so its importance is to ensure that the moisture or water from the ground does not reach the wall, because when it reaches the wall, then it will become weak. So when this is there, water won't be able to cross through this to reach the wall to weaken it.
Okay.
So that's the importance of this. So after this, you apply mortar. As I told you, mortar is the term we used for this. White omusenyo mutabulo oboguyide. Here we call it mortar. Yeah. Okay. So after applying this, we apply. You remember I told you when we are constructing the foundation, we use the header bond. We are seeing the heads, the header faces. Yeah. Yes. So when it comes to the wall, we don't use the header bond. Instead, we use the the stretcher bond.
The stretcher bond.
Stretcher bond.
Again, the stretcher bond on that.
Now this is the stretcher. This.
The stretcher bond.
Yeah.
And a header bond.
This is the header bond. When you use this, so what we're applying about what causes a stretcher bond. Wanga, this is what the viewer will be able to see.
Yes.
Yeah.
No,
even this side, we shall use this. Okay. So this on the side, this side up on the wall, we use the stretcher bond. While on the foundation, we use the header bond. Reason being, we want to create a wider base for the building. When the base is wider, then low pressure is applied on the ground. Yes.
How long will our wall be before we reach the window level?
The window level, before we reach the window level, it will depend. But in most cases, what was saying from the foundation up to where the tie beam is, it is 3,000 millimeters.
Okay.
Yeah.
The meter satu.
Meter satu.
Okay. Oh, fine. Kali katuseeko bloka tulabe. Amagezi muliro. Bas. Bugema Advent Secondary School. Tuli wano ku Department of Technology and Design. Tuli tudda wakati. Ndaba tuzimbye.
So no, this is the wall. That's how far we have gone.
So we have started on the wall.
The wall.
This is the first course.
The first course. The foundation is done, and then the first course is also done. Okay. Yeah, as you can see. Okay.
So how many courses do we intend to construct for this particular
model?
Structure? Roughly?
Roughly, we may go up to 8.
Up to 8 courses.
Yeah, because we want to show where the window is, and also how to come up with the straight joints. Okay. Yeah.
Mukisa, I am seeing this space left here. Is it by design or by default, or what is it?
No, this space left here is like a command. For us to build a building, it has to be with a door and a window. But a door, we have to place it after the foundation. Yeah. So this
before putting any course.
Yeah, before putting any course. So this space you are seeing here is for the door. We will go on increasing, and until we reach the wall plate level. Okay. The door must be of the same height with the wall plate, where we're going to put the whole plate.
Guno luggi. Luno luggi, space ya luggi eyo mukulu Mukisa batunyonyodde. Sasa we shall continue just next time, because time is not our best ally. Naye nga abakulu bano njagala mbasabe batumire ku bantu ate era tusiibule. We shall catch up next time. Amagezi muliro, we are probably powered by Bugema Advent Secondary School bus, and we are having this program special edition from bus. Yes, main campus. These lads and Form 4. Omukulu no yani?
Mukisa Joel.
Tumira ya abantu balinga babo.
Send on greetings to my aunt, Lucina Juliet, and to my uncle, Lucina Ezra. Then to my beloved mom and dad. Mom is called Nasimbwa Ellen, and then father is called Sebwa Josiah. Then and to my 2 brothers, the older one is Segirinya Joshua, and the next one is Ntesa Sira Julius, then followed by me, Mukisa Joel.
When you said to my beloved, I almost get scared. I thought it was your beloved wife.
No, my beloved parents. Okay. Yeah, they put more emphasis on me during the times of learning. Okay. Yeah, all of them.
You said you're in Form 4 with stream?
Form 4R. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Ate omukulu pikke.
So
Tumira.
I want to send greetings to my one and only handsome dad, Pastor Akiza James, and my beautiful mother, Mrs. Grace Akiza. I love you so much, and I always appreciate your services and support. Send greetings to my three brothers, that is Joshua Nirungie, Hafasha Solomon, and Fite Barak, plus my other elder, Kalubo. Wish you the best in your marriage. Greetings to my only cousin, the one I love mostly, that is Tumusime Julius.
Tuyanze kakati no tujja kutandikira wano next Sunday. We shall be coming back and start right from this moment until when our structure is complete. We are led by these lads. They are all in Form 4 at Bugema Adventist Secondary School. This show is probably sponsored by Bugema Adventist Secondary School bus bebatekamu ensimbi Bugema era nga bye bakola obiraba si byakwogera nnyo naye obiraba obiraba abasomesa naye abayizi ne bakola kati bino bikoleddwa bayizi era bagenda kutunyonyola paka gye tunakomekereza abe omuwanguzi ate nga mugole yali ku camera nze Elder David KIWUMULO. I want to wish you a blessed night. Thank you so much. Catch up with us next Sunday. Amagezi Muliro, alamuseke.